real things. Like, you remember when the shooting going over Portmore and you get grazed and nuclear get shot and the next youth will get shot. We pan him way to the hospital, the car crash with him nearly dead again. Him alive. Himself he tell us, I don't really want to repeat to himself he tell us, but him ask me if he tell you. So me I gotta tell you. Him say the SYM. Him say if you suck out your mother, and me I tell you, because I respect your mother. I respect all mother. I just relay a message. Him say if you tell us I gotta suck out your mother, because him get shot, because when they shot them on fire, him block the way and I protect you and get shot. And your uncle give him one shell to Adidas. Your uncle think him have to show one shell to Adidas. Me just tell you, and me, me never did it. Nuclear they are foreign, and the youth they are foreign too. The youth they say him want to hold you. Him just want to see you. You see me? So me just tell you. Alright. Next thing, brief did it. The man them we are call a prison. We are asked for number for the man them a prison. The man them we are call a prison to talk to me. Two of them give me a message to give. One of them say, if you stop try get number for him, because you're pussy and from your forward, them a link off for you and you no answer. Him are the original boss. Him are the one that turn against the boss. Because we not call on him. You see the boss now, the original boss, him tell me say, if he tell you say, as long as you live, go suck out your mother and don't try call him. Him no want no link from you. Him say if you make sure talk it from my life so you hear. Him say if you suck out your mother, and me I tell you suck out your mother. See your mother you call a prison. So if you tell you say, go suck out your mother. Because when India try to reach out to you, you hype and not take no call. So don't call him. Man say not even your money, him no want. Him done with you. I just give the message them where I come in to my phone. I just tell you straight. The man say, him no want it stop call people for calling. Him no want chat to you. Him say if you go suck out your mother. Me respect your mother. Them man they are bad man. Man they respect dog. Man say if you suck out your mother. Okay? I'm going to reach out to you from your forward and you're going to answer. My dad now. They ever want to see you in a music video. They ever want to see you on picture. Because when you come out, you hype and you don't make no link. So why you try link now? Because I really hear the message them to you. So if you never remember them when you just come from jail, they must say nobody remember them now. Because nobody, they not give me a talk. Them actually glad say me a warrior. I just tell you the truth. Them really feel good, say me a deal their wicked. So I just tell you. So you can't call a bad man for me. You cannot do it. It's just not dead. Or while we're at it, let me give you a little 5-minute break. Drink a water, put on back your glasses. Because you can't put on your glasses on camera right now. You have a youth now. We're under your post, right? Remember me just show you how real people is to me, you know. So you have a youth now, we're under your post. Where him name, well I can tell you where his name. Hold on, plug in the phone. I'm going to tell you her name. I tell them all the while not to ramp with me. You know, my ancestor them is very different. Anyway, me hear them a try stick on deadbeat dad for me. The whole brief brigade I try to do that, right? But oh, Gaza Diddy not tell nobody say him have a handicapped son. Well, I don't want to say handicap. Even though handicap is not a bad word because I hate them use. You have handicap sticker, you have handicap parking, you have, but let me say disabled. Oh, Vibes Diddy never post him disabled son yet. Him have a half-white youth. The mother white. Oh, him never post a pit in there. Oh, him shame of that pit in there. Him special needs child, or we never see it yet. I have the picture there, man. Throw a pit in, you know, I'm just not going to throw him up so, but if the war get ugly, I can throw him up. I have like 6-7 picture. And I have a picture with Vibes Diddy and the youth. And the mother. Oh, you know, say you're deadbeat. If you not look on the pit in there. People, this a pan the surface kind of beating me again. I not really go too hard because I say, what do you go hard and him it fuck with him nerves, you know what I'm saying? So me a war as to how them attack. The more them attack, the more me go hard. I'm comfortable in a warrior. These are the sweetest war I can war anybody. That warrior with Vibes Diddy, aka Rtel, me not have no worries in the world. Me can rub him out anytime I feel like. Anytime. If you never know the things that me know, he stay far from me. And also tell Brief Brigade, love him alone. If you know, no, seriously, TJ, talk to him, you know. I know what Bo don't know. Ricky Ting Ting, here comes the hot stepper, murderer, lyrical gangster, murderer. Do not play it with me. Me have your ticket them. Not even one ticket. Me have your ticket them. Enormous amount of ticket. Let me tell you something, Spratel. Brief boss. You have to know what you do. Your name too big for you do the things them what you do. Your name too big, you have to know what you're doing. You have to know what you do. You can't live the way you live and war with a man like me. Can't happen. Cannot happen. You have to stop. And if you look at Brief Brigade continue, I'm not going to have no choice. But if you still shell up. You can't diss me, but I pay people for diss me. That no work, me no work so. Me know the source. So you have to be careful, alright? Come, me going to play this, you know. Spratel, me going to play this. And I just kind of change my mind and say me nah go bother beat you so. Because kind of terrible dog. Me going to play the voice note from the court session. And for all I want to talk about last week, him can't sue me. Everything when me go play or when me can play is from actual public recordings. So he can't sue me. Me that go play the voice note them when they say about Sean Stan. You understand? But me say, be people that kind of big for you, you know, Spratel. I mean, say, Johnny. Because you know, remember say your case trying in court, and you go through the process, and the court say them fine double, and you get off. But your case not try in a public, your case not try on Instagram. Me have the entire, you know so much day me take for come live? Me have the entire court files, 1,000 odd pages, and me have every single voice note and recording, every single piece. So we not have a problem to expose what they really with them from who just a run with the wave, you know. Yeah, man. So, more to look on this now. We call this A, B, C, D. People exhibit E. See? We call this People's Exhibit E. Look on this. People's Exhibit E. This look real too, no? This look real too, no? Look on it good. Type in the comments. This look real too, no? This look real too, no? This look like one of your favorite artists? This look real? Look good. This look real? Look, sideways. Look now me eye. Oh, looking at the eye. Kind of feel me eye. So, Gay Charles, you can fool some of the people them some of the time. But you can't fool all the people them all the time. I see over Europe lie down and cock up sideways. And I say, Sky Dweller, me look nice down. You know, look good, brother. See him like how you can dip on that video in your glasses. When you dip on video next time, just do this now, man. You can't do this. You can't do that. That's all we say if we do. We never ask if we go on a computer, go make picture and forward. Look. Darkers, no darkers. Clear glass. You can't do that. You know what it show? You know that AI picture, they know what it do to your credibility? Gay Charles, it show you say you are the fakest human being from the internet. It show you say you don't have no self-esteem. It shows you don't believe in yourself. That's why you try to push up money and house and everything. For sure say you have money over people. But that not work on people like me. Because I never born with no money at all. And when me I go back, when them cremate me, I not have no money I go with me. And me alone I go my soul alone. So it shows say you're weak. And it shows say it's not a real youth. Because if you have to lie and go make an AI picture, first thing the AI people them stupid. Them stupid. Look how fool them is. And the only reason why you make Shamar Macan, your youth put out this. I true you never go Calabar for you. Because if you go Calabar for you, you don't know say you have some tattoo on your face and on your forehead. You remember that, you know. And then you remember say you have some holy grey beard that push out from some place like the thing where they merge your DNA with to bring you back. It make your ear, face ear them grey and rusty. This too clean. If you are going to make a fake picture too clean and a picture still couldn't save you. You understand, a picture still couldn't save you because you have to do video. Like how me talk on video now, I have on the glasses and can open my eye. That way I talk about. You understand? So, some people say you're sick. Some of you see with you why you're not take off the glasses. And your sickness step on trial, you know. Because Gaza fans move the goalposts to suit themselves. And your sickness step on trial. What do you when my face twist up me up on Instagram every day? What do you when me sick and my face twist me up on social media every day? Be real to your fans, be real to your people. If you're sick, you're not control over it. So why you hide? Because you're shame. You're so empty. You're an empty vessel walking. All you have is money. You don't have anything else. You don't have no self-belief. You don't have no inner dignity, no inner pride, no inner moral. You're not motivated to be yourself. You're the fakest human being. You tell lie about the house them. You tell lie about the car them. You tell lie about everything. You can't even be honest with your fans and say me sick. That's why my eye looks so. You're so scared of a little Foota eye that you go and make a fake AI picture and I run it that. Little Foota eye, broke pocket Foota eye, deadbeat Foota eye, Foota who is a nobody, cause you fear do all of them extras there. How can you tell a fan say you're real? How you gonna tell people say you're real and they must believe you? Get a next message for you. Cook them over Bronx there. Link them. You can't sound grateful. Link Cook them. Them still there Bronx. Big up Sky Dweller, aka Lenny Matic. I'm a bridging, but what do you go do some ad lib in one cartel video so? Need to give him a neat ribs as I don't really want this him car. A butler brother, you know, my bridging. But through Adia, you might do ad lib in a video. You don't do that, Lenny. We see I dash you some money. Cook them say from cartel forward from prison. You don't link back, them not see you nothing at all. See? So you have to link up and make the boss send piece of food. Oh! Me have to try and remember the message them. Vibes did it. The youth will take the charge for you. And New York, I'm not going to call him name. We'll just use a letter. J. His name start with J. Him say, if you don't remember, say, him do the time for the crime. Up to the time. You know, do nothing for him. Not even upon him commissary, you know, put money. Him eat you like poison. Hey, you see if you walk with 20 security, walk with 40. Me never know so much people. You turn your back on it. Me say, see if you walk with 20 security, walk with 40 of them. Double it. Because since me I got it, me know how much people you double cross and left a road. The man say, hold it for you, go to prison, do the time, come out, and you not even acknowledge him. You not even give him a link. The man say, you act like him not exist. The man say, mother cuss him like dog. The man say, mother cuss him like dog. The man go in a big cage and do the time for you. And you not even put money for the commissary? Damn. That's kind of cold, my nigga. That's kind of cold, dog. You could have put something on the nigga's books, man. No matter how small it is. Alright, may I read that question here, because it's a trick question. Them say, Foota, I have an innocent question. That is a lie. I am not a Gaza fan. That is a lie. But would you have felt better if Cartel was still in prison? I'm not trying to diss you. Yes, you are trying to diss me. It's a neat dissing question. But I'm going to answer you. Because I'm a very intelligent person. I used to go to Calabar for real. Whether Cartel did stay a prisoner or come a road is not my business. It's between him and God. So, if in this stay a jail, we would have to accept it. Him come a road, we have to accept it. That's not my concern. My concern is this. See? My concern is this. What's so hard to help the real people them? Me no business if him there road or there jail, it no matter. Him there road, it not do nothing for me. Him there jail, it not do nothing for me. If God say him for free, him have for free. You understand? And if God say him for stay at jail, he would have to stay at jail. No, that's not my business. My concern is why the real youth them always get disrespected and violated. Why the real people them can't get deal with the real? That's all me ask. Oh, a man go do time fear. See? In a vehicle with you, something happen, and the youth say, me deal with it, me hold it. Get sentenced, found guilty, go to prison, and can today in a 2026 come say, you never even put a money upon him commissary. That can make sense? And that you have to ask me about. You're going like a my business if him stay at jail and come a road. It no matter to me, I don't give a fuck. I know me and him problem that I even got problem that. So answer the question there. Is it cool for somebody to take the rap for you, see him, and go to prison, do the time for something where you should have get charged for? And you're there road and make beer money, and you not no bread with you? Can I be them and me I wonder how justice and rights for the good youth them become bad mind. So only think it cool for a man take the rap for you and you not look upon him although you're rich? Snaps for real, that's why if you stop jump up on internet and defend people if you don't know the real story, you don't know the song them and know what is presented to you. Tell him to come say a lie, me I tell. Every time I know a question what me I say, but you know a question what him I do. Tell him to come say me a lie, me I tell. Tell him to sue me. Because the youth willing to come forward if it come to that. I give you one letter out and him know who me attacking. Rtel know who me attacking. The letter J where I work with. The youth hate him like poison on me. I never did it. So as what I say, Rtel, I have a portion of things, boy, to use and crush you like a roach. But I say you panic. I say yes, he say. Lord, that boy I know more than what I say now. Can we give you a little hint, little piece. The fans them don't know what me a hint upon, but when me a hint, yeah, they say blood clot. Can remember say after the boat, you go to hospital at Fort Lauderdale, yeah? You remember? Me know about that too, you know. When you go to the hospital after the boat incident, I know about that too. I have people working in the hospital too. What you have to remember, you know, Rtel, you see Florida, I live here long before you come from prison. And I know a whole lot of people. And them rate me. Yeah, my people. You can't hide nowhere, Spratel. Nowhere. We have people everywhere. And we don't gotta pay them to be loyal. Them loyal for real. I'm gonna tell you something, people. I don't vex with nobody with their own Spratel and I do them look at things, see? Because people have to eat food. Are you very good? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, my daughter that people, she there with me, man. She not doing it. She not chew her up every time in their life. She there, man, with her deadbeat daddy. You see? So hear me and say now. Do you see the girl who says she had the chef? Big her up. Jewsland people, them like you. Me know when you meet Spratel in at the airport and thing, know everything. You see you jump out and throw one shade of them, but me not vex with it. Do what you have to do, food have to eat. You understand? Me I play a song. Me no want them shut down my life again. Can't play that song there. Song they released long time. See? So big up Jewsland and big up the chef. The brown in the way him say a chef. She not really chef. Over airport in Bokar, when him a travel. Know everything. Anyway, big up all our girlies. We are go around Spratel and I eat them food. Me nah try stop on the food. See boobs there, go and go near my mouth. Nothing wrong with that. When people not real, she not a real chef, no. She not a real chef. But anyway, the Jamaican girl can cook. So, them are running that. So, big up all of the girlies. We're going to eat them food. Nothing wrong with that. That, I don't even vex with the vlog of them where I eat the food. Because food have to eat. And Spratel I run money. So when I go take money, me not vex with nobody. You see me? And the most richest, insecurest, saddest man we have to buy him way. If he want to laugh, he have to pay. Sky do have to give him a joke. Everybody around him has a business. And if you want to be honest, not even your pitney them not like you for real. Them a eat a food too. Them have to cool with daddy because daddy have the bread. You see me? And I think at time now, Spratel, for your post your disabled son. You can't just have post vibes and addy. You need to post your other son, man. Love all of your kids, them, man. Whether them sick or them not sick, whether them good looking or them ugly, no matter. If you're a kid, you're a kid, you know? That's what real dads do. You can't just run money and feel like so that make you a dad. Nah, man, real love after that. And between me, you know, say, I like baby mother them hate you. To tell you the truth. Them just agree back with you because the money there. Big man, remember me know you all of your baby mother them. Them not like you. I'm going to tell you, the two people them when I like you the most. Because your friend them running out tell you. Two kids will hate you the most. I shot two big boy them. Them not like you. You see, shorty two boy, them not like a bone in a you. You know why? Them mother cry and vent to them. Shorty not like you either. Shorty not want to have nothing with it. And Shorty have piece of money already, where she take from you, where you can't get back. All if you not talk to Shorty, Shorty can't broke again in her life. Remember she had it power attorney and everybody that can run the money through she. Remember good. And she lock her thing and know where she had it. She uninterested. She don't want to see her brother. I just she's not a social media person. She tell her son them everything. All the going with Taya. Big up Taya in New York. She know too. Oh, never next message for your Spratel. You see the girl? We keep the dance over Portmore. Where they get the consignment lick of them. And right there, because we don't talk about everything. She said, look at money where you get her done. Yo, Spratel ain't a problem, you know. Yo, Rtel, you're in a problem. The girl said the little piece of butter done. The same one with the consignment liquor. Don't make we go into details. She said the little piece of butter done. And anyone she not get no more food. You know what happen? Social media is open, she can just turn on her phone. So pay all of your bill them, brother. Stop going like you get too hype and remember the people them. Just remember, I know me, I never did it. You can't ask me, oh, I know no. The people them are complain. Remember it's not hard to get to Foota and just slide down my DM. You understand me, I say? No, me just remember, I swear me never remember. I told me got talk about Taya now, which is Shorty best friend. You know, who know the story. You understand? So, after them look at things there's two Rtel. Me sure it's a Shorty too big son. No like him, no at all. Them just a tolerate you because I your father, piece of bread dead. But in them heart, them not like a bone in you. What you do to them, mother? No, you would. Them see she cry millions of times. She tell them everything. No, we're not talking about no money. RT and Llers. What do you mean the whole life about money? No. The whole life about different people. We talk about Eggman earlier. We talked about the Soup Twins earlier. We talked about the Deadbeat Mom. A whole lot of different things. You just read. Me not go too hard. Me just have freestyle and I have fun. You understand what I say? We just have fun. When Gay Charles come out, when I remember me did the one say, and me run social media, like it or not, do not test me. Who do you remember me tell him? Say, do not test me. I will embarrass you. Why him never listen? Because I'm ego. I feel like to everybody around him frightened for him and a little piece of money. No, brother, I'm not frightened for you, brother. Me a body up long time. Me a war from before you got prison. I war while you there prison. I wear war now that say come home and me still a beat your bad. You not learn your lesson, man. I say you head tough. My God. I say you head tough, brother. Low foot type alone. Remember when we were the war hot at Jamaica? I go over Gaza go play. On the roof upstairs, me and God alone. I'm never afraid of you, brother. I'm still not afraid of you, man. Come on. Don't try intimidate her. Me not like you. Hey. Brief boss. You do something me not like. Stop going like I can tell you, look, brief brigade them for diss me. And then you don't realize, say, when them diss me, I go diss you. Because me know how you do it. And me know how you will send them to do it. So stop doing that. Because you don't trigger me if you come here so come shoot you. You understand? So stop doing that. Anyway. Big up Dante. People, you see, sometimes